Hi Libras, a very good afternoon to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a reading for Libra singles. So this is a reading from 25th of May till 25th of June, and keep in mind this might or might not resonate with you, okay? So let's start. Keep in mind the roles could be reversed as well, okay? If I'm saying you are feeling this, it could also mean that the person is feeling that, your person or whomsoever you were connected with, okay? So the roles could be reversed as well. Let's start. Libra, your past energy regarding your love life was. Your past energy, Libra, was. Okay, this card jumped out for you. The Knight of Pentacles. I feel like you were surely, slowly but steadily moving towards a stable relationship, or you were very slow to move towards a relationship. That is why the relationship broke up. I feel like you were very slow. You were taking baby steps towards a relationship, or you were taking baby steps to commit to somebody, okay, or to make a stable commitment or make a solid commitment to somebody. Let's clarify your past energy, Libra. You were very slow to approach this person. Very slow, yet very loyal and stable. This is the thing. The High Priestess, the Five of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. Yes, because your intuition was very sharp, and there was lots of conflicts going on in this connection. Internal conflict going on between you, between both the parties. I feel like you were listening to your intuition, and you were intuitively very conflicted from inside, and that is why you are stopping yourself to rush into any kind of relationship or rush into any kind of commitment or committed relationship, okay? That is why you were very slow to approach anybody in your life, especially this connection, okay? That is why you were slow. You were taking baby steps towards this connection because you were feeling like there is hell lot of conflict in this connection with this particular person. Might be this will not work out. That is why you were slowing down. Your approach was very slow to this particular connection. Let's see your current energy. Your current energy is Libra. Just give me a second. Your current energy, Libra, is strength, holding back. You could be dealing with a Leo, first of all. So, Libra, you're holding back. Might be you are feeling a lot of things for this particular person, Libra, but right now you are holding back a lot. You are trying to act courageous. You are trying to tame your inner lion, and you are just trying to hold back and just focus on yourself for the time being. You are just trying to cut out all the negativity, toxicity, and focus on yourself. This is what I am feeling right now, and I feel like that you have lots of emotions for this particular person, but you are trying to hold back a lot. This is the thing. Yeah, let's clarify the strength card in your present energy. Queen of Wands, King of Swords, and the Two of Swords. You are very passionate. You are still very passionate about this person, but you are trying to make your intentions clear. So you are trying to figure out what should I do, and that is why you are on crossroads right now. You are emotionally off. This is the emotionally off thing. So you are emotionally off. You are very guarded, and you are feeling like holding back is a good thing as of now, because you are not able to understand, you are not able to make any kind of decision regarding this particular person in your life. To be very honest, frankly, I'm telling you that you carry a lot of emotions, lot of passion for this particular person. Still you are emotionally off and acting cold and detached towards them. Let's see what this past person feels for you, whomsoever you were connected in the past. Let's see what this past person feels for you, Libra. The World. I feel like there is some kind of unfinished business left in this connection, although they feel like this relationship is over. Okay, the World card to me is like the relationship is over, everything is over, you guys broke up, but there's some kind of unfinished business that is making them go in circle again and again, and they want to finish this unfinished business. This is what they feel for this connection right now. They want to finish this unfinished business because they feel like there's something left in this connection that is yet to be resolved or revealed. Let's clarify. The Wheel of Fortune, the Hierophant, and the Page of Wands. So I feel like Libra, this person is living everything on the universe. You could be dealing with the Taurus, or this person could be a Taurus, obviously the same thing, right? I'm sorry. So I feel like this person is living everything on the universe, because they felt like they should get married to you, they wanted to marry you. They are still carrying this hope of, having a brand new beginning with you, having a beginning with you. Yeah, Libra, this is the thing. They are carrying lots of passion for you. I can see that they want to resolve the unfinished business. They want to come towards you because they wanted to marry you. At some point of time, this person was very very connected to you, and they wanted to marry you. And I think that, like they told you, they proposed you as well, but you were not ready to make this commitment at that particular time, Libra. I can see that, I can feel it. Yeah. Let's see if there's somebody new coming in, or you are allowing a new energy in your life or not. Let's see your energy for the new prospect, new love. Gosh. No, Seven of Wands, emotionally off. You are still standing your ground. You are still acting very, very defensive. You are acting very, very defensive towards everybody who is coming towards you, Libra, right now. I can sense that you are going through hell lot of bad phase in your life, and right now you are emotionally off. You are setting your boundaries that I am not going to allow anybody on earth to come towards me right now. I just want space. I want my me time. I don't want any kind of shitty person around me right now. This is your energy right now. And I don't feel like somebody is coming towards you, somebody new is coming towards you, because only you are blocking yourself, your energy for somebody new to come towards you. This is what is happening. Let's clarify the Seven of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, the Empress, the Eight of Swords. See, you are working on yourself. You are just trying to work on yourself, your finances. You are trying to be as much as creative and as much as fertile as possible. Fertile, by the word fertile, I don't mean to say that you are going to be pregnant. It could also mean being pregnant for very few people, very few Libras. But I feel like you're trying to, be creative, keep your mind busy in creative things and doing everything that makes you happy, and trying to focus on your work, on your self dependence and your business. But again, you are very very conflicted in your mind, very very conflicted in your mind right now. You are, your walls are high. You are not allowing any energy, new energy or past energy to come towards you or talk to you. You are emotionally off, closed and detached, very very detached, defensive right now, standing your ground that I'm not allowing anybody to come towards me. Yeah, deeply hurt. Let's see what to expect. I don't know what to say. So yeah, what is coming towards you till 25th of June? Let's see what is coming towards you till 25th of June, Libras. Hermit. So this is what is coming towards you till 25th of June, the Hermit. You are looking inwards. You are trying to focus on yourself. You are trying to seek answers from within. You are trying to talk to yourself. You are going through turmoiling. What should I say? You are in a, a huge turmoil right now in your life. You are not being able to make any kind of decision. You are still very connected to this particular person. You are still feeling lots of emotions and lots of love for this particular person, but you are holding back, and you're trying to seek answers from within. You are trying to, go into spirituality. You are trying to meditate. You are trying every fucking shit that you can to make yourself at peace, to keep yourself at peace. But you know what, that is not how it works. You should go and talk to the person. Okay, whosoever was connected to you, you should, clear the air with this particular person. Let's clarify. This is the Three of Swords, yes, the Judgment and the Fool. So within yourself, you are seeking the answers whether I should forgive this particular person and start all over again or not. This is what you are going through, because you were deeply hurt. You are deeply heartbroken. You're shattered, completely shattered by what they did in the past. You are trying to forgive this person. You want to forgive this person and give this relationship another chance and start all over again. This is what you want. This is what you want. This is what you are seeking answers from within. That is why you are right now silent, very very silent, cold and detached. That is what is coming towards you till 25th of June. Analysis, self analysis. Okay, so Libra, I don't know how many people will watch this reading, but if you're a Libra and if you know another Libra, please share this reading with another Libra as well, because this reading is going to help them a lot as well. This is the need of the hour to talk to the person whomsoever you were connected with, because you are still very much connected to that particular person. And I feel like this conversation will bring the relief that you are seeking for, from within or from other things or from doing shit that is not working out for you. So, yes, Libra, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste.